In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a search bar and customize result pages on Wix. So please watch the video until the end and follow this tutorial step by step to avoid making mistakes. So let's get started. So the first thing you want to do is head over to your Wix website editor. So when you're already here, what you want to do is click here on the left side. So you see an icon right here, which is the Add Apps icon. So just click on it and you will see this pop-up menu, which is the Wix App Market. Now just search for Wix Search and you'll see this site, Wix Site Search. Just click on it. Now you want to add this to your site. So click on Add to Site and just wait for it to add to your Wix website editor. And now, as you can see, we already have this search bar right here in the top. So to customize this, what you want to do is again go to your apps. So again, search for Wix search. Now that it's installed, just click on open and you should see it right here at the top. Now you can manage the settings. So you can either choose the pages to show in search results, you can put your products, other pages in the display. You can also put a placeholder text. You can enable the alt tab. So you'll see all of these settings for your search bar right here. So it's up to you whether how you want to edit this results. So the app has it all. So it will give you the search bar and all of the uh, result pages. So that's it. So if you find this video helpful, please hit like and subscribe. Thanks.